right, loud and clear? Hear me loud and clear?
Yep.
Okay.
Hear you.
Mexico traffic, Ramos 750 Yankee November is crossing 1836 Mexico.
Well, we're here at the May 2025 Rudder Workshop, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you enjoying the Rudder Workshop?
Very much.
Good. Well, we're going up for a quick demo flight, and we're going to show you what the 750 Super Duty is all about. A little windy today, so we're just going to do more or less a normal takeoff, climb out, just fly around a few minutes, come back and land. And you'll see it's got great visibility. And you ready to go?
Ready.
Okay.
Mexico traffic, Ramos 750 Yankee November is going to be departed runway 24, will be a local flight to the south, Mexico.
Yeah, we're looking at 86 for May 15th, I believe today is, which is probably going to hit a record high for here. I'm glad it's a record high than a record low. All right, so what I'm going to do is have the stick back about 3/4, ease in the throttle, nose comes up, start adding more throttle, got positive airspeed, climb. Maintain the center line on the runway. Got a little crosswind up here. It smooths out a little bit, another couple hundred feet, but it's really not too bad. If anything bothers you, just let me know.
Okay.
It's good going a day like this in a airplane you're thinking about building, because that way you can see, hey, I can go up on a windy day. I like the center stick. It makes it easy getting in and out, and then it's not in your way as a passenger.
It is nice.
Yep.
I can see why Jose wants this one.
Yeah.
It definitely has the helicopter feel.
Right.
Seeing everything.
And I'll do a turn your way. I'll just do a gradual turn. I like sightseeing, looking at everything.
That's what I'm doing.
Yep, all the houses.
Beautiful here.
Yeah. Yeah, nice farm area, kind of like it is. It was when you used to live in Kansas and Oklahoma.
Yeah.
Really not a lot of difference.
No, everything's green.
Yeah. Well, it's nice to see you're helping your husband build the rudder. That way you get the hands-on too, and even if you don't help him anymore, which you should, you get, you know, you understand what he's doing.
Doing projects together, so
that's good.
It'll be a fun project.
Yeah.
And I'm more into the camping part. He wants to do sky camping.
What kind of camping?
Sky camping.
Okay.
So that would be.
Yeah. All right, well, we'll head back. Set up for a nice landing and we'll land.
Sounds good.
Mexico, traffic, Ramos 7 for the Yankee November is 2 miles to the south, and down landing for runway 24 Mexico.
Okay, everything looks good.
Mexico traffic, Ramos 7 for the Yankee November is turning left downwind for 24 Mexico.
All right, we're going to slow down a little bit, get a little bit of flaps in.
Mexico traffic, Ramos 7 for these turning left base 24 Mexico. Mexico traffic, Ramos 7 for these on final 24 Mexico.
All right, we're going to deploy the rest of the flaps. There you go. What'd you think?
Very good.
Good.
Fun plane.
And it's really awesome when you have, you know, smooth air and just sightseeing. And
Yeah. That window really makes it.
oh yeah, yeah.
I have to say this has the best view.
Oh yeah.
Do you ever fly it without the doors?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's okay for 30, 45 minutes, but
Yeah.
you know, you get a little bit,
long.
you get a lot of wind in there, wears you out.
Yeah.
But yeah, you definitely can do that for sure.
Especially in the summers.
Yeah.